Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Asyraf bin Zolkefli and I am from Universiti Sains Islam Malaysia, USIM. So in this video, I will present about my innovation study entitled The Implementation of Interactive Map in Crime Detection. Crime, or more specifically criminal and violent behavior, has become a major concern in recent years across the world. Crime can be defined as an activity that is against the laws of a nation because crime has many effects on the daily lives of the citizens. Thus, crime rates vary enormously along with crime data across countries and regions. Crime data is one of the most important information towards any country. There are a variety of analysis methods and approaches used to visualize large amounts of crime data. For the time being, there are several websites that consist of data on criminal activities along with a timeline. For example, the Department of Statistics Malaysia portal has shown the data in each state by using simple data visualization with four major topics, which are crime cases, drug addicts by education level, arrest of corruption offences, and summons for black smoke emission. On the other hand, the official portal of Royal Malaysia Police only manifests any criminal activities data with tables and a short summary. At present, the amount of crime data produced in numerical form increased dramatically. With numerical data alone, the representation are less effective because there are no data visualization. Data visualization is a graphical representation that can enhance data analytics by turning the information gathered into a clear picture through the use of elements such as graph, charts, and mapping. Without any data visualization, the numerical data will concern the user to be wondering where the crime happened and how to know that their surroundings are safe. Furthermore, users will have a hard time to discover patterns, comprehend information, and form an opinion. Nowadays, people tend to look for infographic information rather than numerical data itself. This is because numerical data has been less user-friendly as time is increasing, and crime data that has been generated every single day. So, this product will use an interactive map which can provide appropriate visual interpretations to users by synthesizing vast volumes of crime data from various locations in Malaysia for them to access. Because visual or graphical representations can be easily adapted, which can increase awareness of public for them to become more cautious and careful in their surroundings.
Okay, now for the methodology, this chapter goes over the methods used in this study as well as how the project will be implemented. So, for my study, I will be use agile methodology, and here are the phases. So the first one is requirement collection. Requirement collection is a key role in any type of project. One of the requirement collection methods that can benefit the planned project is data gathering, where interviews, observation, questionnaires, and surveys take place. And the second one is design. The system is created to meet the requirements identified in the preceding phases during the phase. The requirements established during the requirements collection phase are processed into a designing phase that accurately explains the system's design and can be utilized as input to system development in the following phase. Next, development. The development phase is a key step. System construction happens in a project. Therefore, the development phase goal is to turn the system design prototype created in the design phase into a working information system that meets all defined system criteria by using appropriate language and tools. So next, testing. During the testing phase, the system is tested to ensure that it meets all requirements, including those for performance and security. Furthermore, testing is necessary to ensure that the system constructed and tested successfully during the development phase meets all criteria and design. So for the agile, last phases in agile methodology is deployment. Deploying the new system in its target environment is the key for this phase. Hence, to deploy and enable operations of the new information system in the production environment has been the purpose after the testing phase.
So here is the Crimify user interface that will be used in our website. As we can see here, from the home page, there are three options, which is Map, Browse by State, and Get Alert button, which can be interacted in order to navigate the user to the function of this product. So, the first one is Map. In the Map function, the user will see an interactive map where the location had been set to measure. There's a search bar, and the user can search which location they want to go, either by the location name or in latitude and longitude. After that, if there's any crime data at the locations, the users will see markers that can be interacted, and if the user click the marker, it will show the description for the crime data, which is type of crime, date of crime, and also the time when the crime happened. So in the Browse by State section, here the user can locate the location of the crime data with precise by field in the state, district, and area column. And the last one is the Get Alert. So if the user want any news and information related to crime that happened in their surrounding area, the user can go to the Get Alert section and fill in their address in detail with valid email address.
For the discussion of my innovation study, for crime-related data, it is necessary to use data visualization tools that address all the data's characteristics and produce results that quickly reveal patterns. Visual information is used to find useful patterns in the world of information and communication technology, which is ICT, and data science, where every piece of information is important. In crime prevention, different visualization techniques can be used to explore the data and make it easy to see the important information. Interactive data visualizations can make it easier to access and explore large, complex datasets, which can lead to better understanding and knowledge discovery. Moreover, interactive data visualizations can be effective tools to help us better understand datasets and the phenomena they represent through a process known as visual analytics. So that's all from me. Thank you.